Welcome back to Cure with Nature. Today we're talking about the top 7 superfoods that can help keep your heart healthy. First up, we have blueberries. These little berries are packed with antioxidants that can reduce the risk of heart disease. Just a handful a day can do wonders. Next is oats. Starting your day with a bowl of oatmeal can lower your cholesterol levels and improve heart health. They're rich in fiber and can keep you feeling full longer. Number 3 is salmon. This fatty fish is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure. Aim for at least 2 servings a week. Fourth on our list is spinach. This leafy green is full of nutrients like potassium and folate that help maintain healthy blood pressure. Plus, it's super easy to add to salads and smoothies. Fifth, we have avocado. This creamy fruit is rich in monounsaturated fats that can lower bad cholesterol and improve heart health. Toss it on toast or add it to salads for a delicious boost. Coming in at number 6 is nuts, especially almonds and walnuts. These are great sources of healthy fats, fiber, and protein, and a perfect snack for heart health. Finally, we have dark chocolate. Yes, you heard it right. Consuming dark chocolate in moderation can be heart healthy due to its rich antioxidants. Just make sure it's at least 70% cocoa. Incorporating these superfoods into your diet can significantly improve your heart health. Remember, a healthy heart leads to a healthier life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Cure with Nature for more health tips. What's your favorite superfood? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and see you in the next video.